What's something people don't know about PC cases? They can be the ultimate game changer for your setup. Let's find out how. First up, the Crystal Nova. It's like having a disco ball for your PC. With its RGB lighting and tempered glass panels, your setup will look out of this world. Next, meet the sleek Phantom. No more boring boxes. This beauty's got minimalist vibes with a dash of futuristic flair. Plus, it's a dream to build in. And for the ultimate wow factor, check out the Titan Tower. It's massive, it's bold, and it's got room for all your crazy cooling setups. So, whether you're all about the lights, the sleek design, or just need a ton of space, these cases have got you covered. Upgrade your setup and make 2025 your most stylish year yet. Happy building!